Hi friends, this is Eigen Tech Buddies and you are watching Eigen Tech Buddies YouTube channel. For getting new job updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. And don't forget to click thumb icon. ISRO Space Application Center recruiting candidates to fill their various posts. So we can check the details. Technical Assistant Electronics. Total 3 posts are there. Qualification needed for the post is Diploma in Electronics or Electronics and Communication Engineering in first class from recognized institution. The salary is up to 1,42,400 and the age limit is 18 to 35 years old. For SC/ST category, the age relaxation is 5 years and for OBC category, the age relaxation is 3 years. Next one is Technical Assistant Mechanical. The qualification needed for the post is Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Next one is Technical Assistant Civil. The qualification needed for the post is Diploma in Civil Engineering. Then next one is Technical Assistant Electrical. Total 1 post. The candidates who have Diploma in Electrical Engineering can apply for the job. The next one is Technician B. Total 6 vacancies are there. The qualification needed for the post is Metric, SSC, SSLC or 10th class with ITI or NTC or NAC in fitter trade. The salary is varies between 21,700 to 69,100 and the age limit is 18 to 35 years old. For SC/ST category there is 5 years of age relaxation and for OBC category there is 3 years of age relaxation. Next one is Technician B. Total 3 posts are there. The qualification needed for the post is Metric with ITI or NTC or NAC in machinist trade. Then Technician B. Total 10 posts. Qualification needed for the post is 10th class plus ITI or NTC in mechanic. Then Technician B. Information and Technology. Total 2 posts. The qualification needed for the post is Metric plus ITI or NTC or NAC in Information Technology or Information and Communication Technology System Maintenance or Information Technology and Electronic System Maintenance trade. The next one is Technician B. Plumber. Total 1 vacancy is there. The qualification needed for the post is SSLC with ITI or NTC or NAC in plumber trade. Then Technician B. Carpenter. Total 1 vacancy. Qualification is 10th class with ITI in carpenter trade. Next one is Electrician Technician B. Qualification SSLC with ITI or NTC or NAC in electrician trade. Then Draughtsman Mechanical. Total 3 vacancy. Qualification needed for the post is ITI or NAC or NTC with in Draughtsman trade. Then Technician B. Chemical. Total 1 vacancy is there. The qualification needed for the post is ITI or NTC or NAC in Lab Assistant Chemical Plant or Attendant Operator Chemical Plant. Already the applications are closed, but due to COVID-19 the last date for application is extended. The extended last date is not published yet, so the candidates who meet the eligibility criteria can apply for the job now. Then those who possess the required qualification as on April 3, 2020 only need to apply. The students awaiting for final result not eligible to apply for this job. If you have any doubts regarding this job, you can comment on my comment box. If your friends are eligible for this job, please share with them also. Thank you.